Hello!
Hello.
Saan tayo pupunta?
To a car.
To a car? Anong gagawin natin? Watch a movie. Excited ka na? Okay. Hindi naman yung pagkain yan.
Yes.
Dito na kami sa...
Are we still going there?
Opo. Katagal namin nag-antay.
Oh.
Pilaw ang dami.
Okay.
Red?
Ay,
Hindi pa
ba't si Kaya?
nag-start. Dito.
Inita ba siya?
Kaya. Excited ka palangga?
Yum! Nami din lupit-lupit. Oh, ito na.
Kaya. Anong pagkain mo?
We'll be playing your favorite music for you in a moment. Right now, we'd like to mention that restrooms are
Ano
centrally
yan?
located.
Chicken
You'll
yan.
find them at the refreshment building.
That's
And
the
our
best.
snack bar is open and serving from a home-style menu
Yummy.
that'll delight any appetite. Enjoy
Pa
one of
rin.
our red hot
Wait in the line for food. You just go up to the cashier and you
Kaya.
tell them
Let's see. You're so excited?
a radio. It
I'm
costs
not going to be
$5
scared.
and they hold on
It's
to your
just
driver's
fine.
license.
Yes.
And nobody
The
can be
smart person brings
scared.
a radio
Yes,
because
we
if you're
can
not
see it, but
sitting in
Mackenzie
your vehicle
too.
with it running, you will risk killing your
when you're family. Did you fail to dress up for tonight's show? No tie, an old shirt and slacks, a house dress? Don't give it a thought.
How to Train Your
We're
Dragon
glad you
3.
came as you are. We just want you to enjoy yourself. Don't forget to visit our reflection. We are the warriors of Beth.
Ten na. Ten na.
Say hi.
Hello.
Wait lang. Sino mas baby?
Ano, tapos na. 11.
Sit down.
11 na. Oh, did you enjoy? How's the movie? Good.
But I didn't know.
Kaya, you like toothless? Kawin na kami. Oras na to. Oras na matutulog. 11:11. 11:11.
May bayad na eh.
Kaya, saan tayo punta?
To beach.
Excited ka?
I can put my seahorse in the water.
Dala mo ba? Ay, dala niya nga.
And I bring it to my sunglasses. And I bring pictures.
Okay. Gusto din. Pwede rin ito.
Meron sila. Lakeshore Cottage. Lamig. Sky. Saan siya? Hi! Kaya, dito ka lang. Palangga. Lamig. Hindi lamig. Kaya, dito ka lang.
The flowers.
Meron din
The
doon.
wings are wings.
Playground. Kaya, excited ka?
They're so exciting.
Ano ko kadala baso, Gilia? Come on.
Sabi mo sa akin ano ginagawa mo, be?
Nana, I'm making a sand castle.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna make here, around here somewhere to
Hindi naman nabuo.
tap 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 and flip flip. Wow, let's do that.
Tagay. Sundan mo na.
Kaya na na.
Uy, sundan mo.
Ito nung mabalik sa dasig naman sa gapon.
Anong dala mo?
Some water.
O, wag sa ano, wag din sa mat. Diyan lang sa labas.
Sa damat.
Ay, wow, basa na yung mat natin.
Get some more water.
Ito na lang dalhin mo. Careful. Ano?
There it goes.
Shake it, shake it. Yan. Ready? Look. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, boy, na may shoes niya, babe.
Are you coming?
Laro na kami. Playground. Yung laro niya doon. Tsaka laro siya. Ay, ang ganda mo. Ito. Diba? Ano siyang kamay? Kamay ba to? So cute. Ice cream ka.
Made into milk.
Ice cream sa lamig.
It sounds like for ice cream.
Car wash kami.
Close your eyes na lang. Close your eyes.
Takot. Bakit? Naliligo lang yung car ni tatay eh. Ano yun? Saglit lang. Walk spot free rinse. Chares.
Ano spot free,
O, tas dryer na to.
Ang kalo ko may nagbaliw.
No.
Nasa bag mo. You might trip. If you trip, you're gonna injure your head. Ayan.
Picture pa.
Celebration of 1 century of contributing to the community today.
Independence.
Happy
Let's go na.
Bongga. Okay na to. Wala talagang hiya eh.
Taray ng flag. Let's go.
Wow, wow, wow. Vlog. Ha?
This will be successful with our sponsors. Absolutely.
Picture, picture. Yan sila dalawa. Wow, wow, wow. Meron jersey.
4 hours kapag yung isang way, puro toll.
Yung isa 6 hours.
Oo. Bagay, syempre, pipili ka pa ba na hindi nakatol? Okay. Magsigat ang araw. Sa ating pangarap.
Kaming ice cream. Saan siya? Ayun na, sila kaya.
What kind of ice cream is that? You like it?
Yummy!
Oh, ang cute.
Ice cream. Kaya, patingin ng ice cream mo palangga. Kaya, patingin si nanay. Wow, masarap. Review. Wow, wow, wow. Ano pa klaseng pagkain? May nakita ko dito mga berry. Black raspberry daw to. Patay. Ayun. Diba? Ow! Oh. Dami. Wala lang, kumukuha ko lang. Wow. Dami na.